Beep, ding, 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 ding. Beep. Hello. Hey, Butterscotch. Oh, Lyra, what are you doing? Oh, I just wanted to remind you about the party. You haven't forgotten, did you? No? Good. Bye. Beep. I forgot the party. I have to call Apple. Maybe he knows what I did. Beep. What is it, Butterscotch? You have to help me. I forgot someone's party in his bed. Whose? Lyra's. I told you about Lyra's party. How could you forgotten? I don't know. It's an irritating question. What's the plan? We break into the animal shelter because she wants a pet and get it for her. Get a pet for her, like a dog. We name her Fiona. I'm not breaking into. Fine, but only for you. Yes. Okay, bye-bye. Beep. Do it tonight. A few moments later. Where is he? He haven't forgot the plan, did he? Oh, he probably forgot. I'm here. Yes, perfect. Come on, let's go. Break down the door. What? Let's just get this over with. Get the dog. You get everything. Dog food, a leash, bowl, water bowl, whatever. Here, I got a collar too. Name her Fiona. Did you get everything? Yep. Yep. It's in this sack. Let's do this. Let's get out of here. The store is closing. The store is opening in a minute. Come on. We're in the free zone. Yes. Huh? What y'all doing? But the store doesn't open till an hour. Well, today is opening free day. Duh. Oh. It was him. How could you do this to me? I forgot your birthday. My birthday? Yeah, your birthday. My birthday ain't till January. What? It's Tamisha's birthday. Oh, Tamisha's. I'm so dumb. Yeah. Well, you're in trouble. Ah! Hey, was that dog for me? Wait. Well, he's bad to the bone. This is all your fault. What? No, it's not. Get back here. Y'all two get back here.